The Jack Rose is to apple brandy what the martini is to gin. I'm Bill, your drunken sailor, and you are at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. Today's cocktail, we are bringing you a classic, well over 100 years old, but this cocktail has got a varied story. The name, some people think it comes from Bald Jack Rose. He was a famous gambler. Others say that it's a combination and a tribute to the apple brandy it was originally made with, applejack, and the color that comes from the grenadine in the cocktail. Well, we're not sure how it is, but we do know that it's tart, it's sweet, and it's today's cocktail, so join me. Let's get pouring. 3 simple ingredients for this cocktail. We've got some freshly squeezed lemon juice, we've got some grenadine, and we are using a homemade grenadine just like they did when this cocktail was first made. It's not the sugary, sweet, bright stuff you find in the grocery stores. It's simple to make. If you like it, leave me a comment, let me know, and we'll show you how in a later video. And of course, apple brandy. So we're going to take our shaker, and our first going in there is going to be 1/2 of an ounce of grenadine. It's a little bit tart, it's a little bit sweet. It's a pomegranate syrup, 1/2 of an ounce. We're going to follow that up with something that's going to really brighten it up, give it a little bit of tart in there, and this is freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use 1 ounce. And of course, it can't be an apple drink without apple brandy, and we are going to put in there 2 ounces. Now I'm using apple brandy today. You can also use applejack. It's the same thing. And we're going to put in there 2 ounces. You can start to see where that Jack Rose color is coming from. Now all we need to do is shake it up, make it cold. So we're going to fill this up with some ice. "10 to 15 second shake is going to get this nice and cold for us." There we go. What a beautiful color on that. Now, it came together really, really quick. The hardest part about this is making a really pretty garnish. To do that, we got 1 big knife and 1 big apple. I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that apple in half, and I'm just going to cut slices on it. I've got 4 slices I want to use on it. Now all I'm going to do is skewer that. And then we just fan it out. So there's our garnish. We're now going to take a coupe, and you can chill that coupe if you want, and we pour. When I first heard about this cocktail, I thought maybe it was a tribute to Titanic with Jack and Rose, but no, I was corrected. But here we have today's cocktail, the Jack Rose. Oh, it's really good. It's tart, it's sweet, it's appley. It's fresh and refreshing. This is a beautiful sipper. If you're by the fire, if you're just getting ready to sit down for dinner, you're going to enjoy this one. Cheers, everybody.